Bella was known for her gentle heart, but she also had a worrying problem. Fear. Even the smallest rustle in the bushes would send her hopping back to
I created this entire kid's story video with just one AI tool. No crazy skills, no insane costs, just one simple prompt. Sounds impossible, right? Normally, making videos like this would require juggling multiple AI tools for images, stock footage, voiceovers, and editing. And learning all of that? That could take months or even years. Plus, if you want to go pro, you're easily looking at over $100 a month on subscriptions alone. But today, I'm going to show you how to make videos just like this. Videos that people actually love to watch, using just one tool. The best part? This tool keeps your characters consistent throughout the whole story, which if done manually, is a nightmare, even for pros. The best part? This tool even allows you to create up to 16 minutes of video per month, split into 2 videos, each 8 minutes long, without compromising quality. If you think 2 to 4 videos a month is less, then just remember what YouTube genius Mr. Beast says.
It's much easier to get 5 million views on one video than 50,000 views on 100 videos.
Stick around, because by the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to create amazing videos without spending a ton of time or money.
Let the games begin.
The AI tool we are going to use today for this purpose is focalML. This AI tool, as mentioned before, has everything that one needs to create videos on any particular niche, and not just videos. You can even create short and long movies like the ones currently trending on YouTube. To get started, you just need to create an account in focalML. Once you land on the homepage, you will see a very simple and beginner-friendly interface. Here, you will see the list of the projects you created previously, and by clicking on the Create New Project icon, you can make a new video. You have 3 choices to get started. You can either just enter a video idea, or you can also start a completely blank project and customize it however you want. Or in case you already have a script, you can also start straight from the script. In our case, we will start with a powerful video idea. For that purpose, we will use GPT, and I will show you how you can come up with powerful and entertaining video topics. We will simply ask GPT to provide me with some creative and engaging video ideas for kids' story niches that are fun, adventurous, and teach valuable lessons while keeping them entertained. Using GPT to come up with video ideas is hands down the most professional approach. Instead of randomly picking topics or just going with whatever comes to mind, you can actually create content that clicks with your audience and stands out. Once you have video ideas, you can simply pick a good video topic and head back to Focal. After providing the video idea in Focal, you can select the duration of your video, up to 10 minutes long. For the demonstration, I will select 1 minute. After that, you can select the audio style. If you are making a movie, you have to select dialogue. But in our case, since we are making a story, we will go with narration. After that, you can also select your preferred language. In case you want to target an audience from specific countries, you can select your desired language or simply go with English if you want to target a global audience, especially those with a high RPM. Then just hit enter and Focal will start writing your script. Once you have the script, you can read it and finalize it. Also, you will see some suggested tags below by Focal related to your story. You can input these tags into the title as well for a more detailed explanation on a specific character, location, topic, or object. After finalizing the script, simply click Continue, and this is where you customize all the materials. At the top, you will see some image styles to get started with. For kids' stories, you can go with any of these 3 styles, including comic book style, 1980s cartoon style, or 3D render. You can also write your own custom image style if you already have any in your mind. After that, you can select the aspect ratio depending on whether you are making shorts or long videos. Since our goal is making good money, we will be going with a long video. You can also turn on the captions as well. Below, you will see that Focal has automatically generated all the scenes, characters, and other materials for our story, but you can even replace a particular character or object by typing a simple prompt, or just by replacing a few words within the original prompt. Or, in case you want to add an additional character, location, item, scene, shot, weather, effect, or time, you can do that as well by simply typing a prompt of whatever you have in your mind, and it will be added to the story. After that, you can again select whether you want the voiceover in the form of dialogues or a straightforward narration. In the case of narration, you have to select just one voiceover character, but if you are doing a movie, you need to add multiple voiceover characters. To assign each voiceover to a specific character that Focal generated, you just need to accurately name the voiceover characters the same as the name of characters above in the scenes. The best part, these voices voices come directly from 11 Labs, which has the most realistic and monetizable voiceovers. Once all done, simply click on Create Project, and you will be redirected to this editing interface where you can edit the whole video as per your requirement instead of a boring AI fluff video. Just click on this glowing area on the timeline and either hit Ctrl+K from your keyboard or just click on it. And now another command box will appear where you can command the AI assistant of Focal, also known as Copilot. Just don't do anything here and simply click Generate, and it will automatically start putting your scenes and voiceover on the timeline, which will take just a few seconds. Once it fetches and finalizes everything, simply hit Accept, and your materials will be placed on the timeline. Now first, let's learn a little bit about all the features. On the left bar, you will see a few important features. From All Media, you can generate a new image that you want to add anywhere in your video. From New Speech, you can also replace or generate a new voiceover or additional voiceover. From New Sound, you just need to write what type of sound effect you want, and Focal will automatically generate that sound effect for you. From New Video, you can just select any image from your timeline and animate it, which I will show you later on. Coming down to Edit, here you just need to click on a particular clip on the timeline, and it will pop up here. From here, you can rewrite or do some tweaks in the image prompt, or even turn it into a video. Now, coming down straight to the most important feature, which is Settings. In Settings, you can again select the aspect ratio, which I wouldn't suggest you change because it will not look good. Besides, you can select an image model. There are plenty of images models such as FlexDev, Google's Imagen 3, Stable Diffusion 3, and many more. And this image model will be used if you replace or regenerate any particular image here in the editor. You can also select the video model Focal, has all the best image to video models out there, such as Luma, Halu the Minimax, Runway ML, as well as the newest trending model named Kling that you will later use for image to video conversion. And I honestly suggest using Luma because it's efficient and costs fewer tokens while maintaining the quality. That's it. The remaining settings are the same as we already discussed in the material customization page. After that, coming down to the editing phase, here first you need to listen to the entire voiceover and see if the scenes match the voiceover or not. In case the scenes don't match the voiceover, you can easily change the scenes. Simply head to the Edit tab, select the image you want to change, and tweak the settings, locations, or whatever you want. Then simply hit Generate, and you will have 4 different variations of images. The best part is you will witness character consistency in each image. If you like any image, simply click on it, and it will be replaced with the original image automatically. After that, head to All Media and then to the New Sound feature. Here, you can write any keyword related to the sound effect you want, and your sound effect will be generated. For example, if you want walking, fighting, birds chirping, or any sort of sound effect, you can type the keyword and you will have the sound effect. You can select the duration of the sound effect as well. Once the sound effect is ready, simply drag and drop it wherever you want to, and it will be applied to properly fit. You can increase or decrease the volume of the sound effect as well. After that, we need to turn these images into videos. You can turn all images into videos in just one click, but I suggest turning the images into video separately and leaving difficult images as they are to save tokens. Also, difficult scenes are difficult to animate, which gives bad output, so it's better to keep them as they are. To animate an image, click on it and then click on the camera icon. Focal Copilot will suggest some suitable actions for your scene. You can select one of them or just write your custom scene. I would suggest selecting one of them, and Focal will start animating your scenes using Luma, as we selected it before. In the same way, you need to click on all or the important images that will look good after animation and just animate them. The animation of all images into video will take only around 5 to 10 minutes for all scenes, and once the images are animated, they will look something like this, and honestly, the animation is just fantastic. After that, finally, you can simply add background music to your video as well. For that, simply head to All Media and click on the small arrow icon. After that, simply upload your own copyright-free background music, which you can very easily download from YouTube for free. Once the music is uploaded in Focal, you just need to drag and drop it on the timeline and simply adjust it however you like, but make sure to reduce the volume of the music so that it suits the video instead of overwhelming and ruining everything. Once the video is ready, simply click Export and give your video a name, and that's it. Focal will start rendering your video. Once the video is rendered, simply click on View the Video, and once the video opens in this new window, simply click on the 3 dots at the right bottom and click on Download, and your video will be downloaded to your device.
Once upon a time, in a sunny meadow, there lived a little bunny named Bella. Bella was known for her gentle heart, but she also had a worrying problem: Fear. Even the smallest rustle in the bushes would send her hopping back to her burrow. One day, her friend Sparrow cried for help. Sparrow had flown into a dangerous part of the woods known as the Forest of Fear. A dark, tangled place every animal avoided.
The video was actually very good, right? Honestly, doing all this manually can be very frustrating and time-consuming, but with the help of focalML, you can literally make an entire video with the help of a single prompt. And not just any video, you can entirely customize the video as per your need instead of randomly AI-generated generic fluff. The best part? Focal gives you 10 credits to get started with, along with 10 additional credits every day. But if you seriously want to start a YouTube career, I suggest the paid plan, which starts from only $10. And it's way better and cheaper than doing things manually by yourself. But if you want to master the YouTube algorithm and rack up crazy views and avoid problems that most beginners face, you must watch the video coming on the screen right now.